This is the day 3 of finding the perfect color corrector. And dear, nasa day 3 na agad tayo. And let's see kung nandito pinaka-perfect and pinaka-wow. Today's bunot, kasi may nag-comment, we are gonna try this easy color corrector, the active color corrector, the shade Deep Peach. Actually, send me all of the shades na ito, pero hindi ko na alam kung nasaan. I got this since the release. Ang tagal na to sa akin. And dear, bilang pa rin sa kamay kung ilang beses ko ito nagagamit. Okay, this type of color corrector is kind of unique formula for me. Like, something that I will not... Oh, just so watery, mga dear. Like, I can see it's still dripping. Okay, personally, if napanood nyo na yung mga ibang part na itong series na to, I always say that I like my color corrector to be full coverage, matte, creamy, something like that. And this right here is none of that. Don't get me wrong, a lot of girls still love this, but the purpose of this series is for those girly pop or people like me who wants to hide their, you know. And this one is just so watery. Ate. Their consistency is low coverage. Para lang siyang skin tint na, di ba pag foundation, pag makapal full coverage, kapag skin tint, it's more watery, something like that. So, sobrang ingat lang talaga kasi ang bilis yan tumulo. So, yeah, lagay ko lang siya dito, back of my hand. And getting my brush lang, and now we're applying. In terms of the shade, I really love this color. Ito talaga yung mga color na sure na makakorek yung discoloration. Like kapag peach color corrector na medyo light. But this one, gantong color yung gusto ko, dear. Okay, this is what I mean na low coverage siya. As you can see, nakikita pa rin yung green undertone underneath of this color corrector kahit na i-blend natin siya, dear. And this is perfect only for people who don't have much discoloration. If you just want to correct, you know, like semi-perfection or whatever or whatnot, this is really perfect. But for people like me, and this type of color corrector is something I think perfect for under eyes to correct those dark circles, my dear. I'm just gonna finish my makeup lang, and I'm gonna see you for the final thoughts. Okay, now we are back. Glam. Ate buo. And for my final thoughts about this one, again, this is perfect for people who doesn't have that much of discoloration. It's very watery, which is I don't personally like. The reason why I keep this, kasi this is perfect if you want to color correct your dark circles, kasi ate, ang nipis lang niya. This is what it looked like up close. Yan. Nag-effort lang talaga akong to build up the coverage ng concealer and the powder ate just to hide my sumpa. But yeah. For my rating, I think I'm gonna give this a solid 5. Again, this is a very good product. If you want to try, go for it. But I'm still looking for that perfect one. So if you guys know something na color corrector, let me know.